Have you ever wondered if you can use a bank draft to deposit funds into your Tangerine account? It's a question that many people ask, especially those who prefer the security and convenience of bank drafts over other payment methods. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Tangerine and bank drafts to answer the burning question, does Tangerine accept bank drafts? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand what a bank draft is. A bank draft is a type of financial instrument that acts as a guaranteed payment. It's essentially a check drawn on a bank, ensuring that the funds are available and the payment is secure. Bank drafts are often used for large transactions or when dealing with parties who require a more formal payment method. Tangerine, on the other hand, is a popular online bank in Canada known for its innovative products and competitive rates. It's a great option for those who prefer the convenience of online banking and want to avoid the fees associated with traditional brick-and-mortar banks. The main question, does Tangerine accept bank drafts? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Tangerine accept bank drafts? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Tangerine currently doesn't accept bank drafts as a deposit method. This might come as a surprise to some, as bank drafts are often considered a reliable and secure payment option. Why doesn't Tangerine accept bank drafts? There could be several reasons why Tangerine doesn't accept bank drafts. One possibility is that the bank's online-only model might make it challenging to process bank drafts efficiently. Additionally, Tangerine might have security concerns or operational limitations that prevent it from accepting this type of payment. Alternatives to bank drafts. If you're looking to deposit funds into your Tangerine account and can't use a bank draft, there are several other options available. Here are some popular alternatives. E-transfers, one of the most convenient ways to deposit funds into your Tangerine account is through Interac e-transfers. This is a secure and fast method that allows you to transfer money directly from your bank account to your Tangerine account, *. Checks. While Tangerine doesn't accept bank drafts, you can still deposit personal checks into your account. Simply endorse the check and mail it to Tangerine's address. Bill payments. If you're looking to pay a bill using Tangerine, you can often do so through the bank's online bill payment feature. This allows you to pay bills directly from your Tangerine account. Additional considerations. While Tangerine doesn't accept bank drafts, it's always a good idea to check with the bank directly for any updates or changes to their policies. They might introduce new features or services in the future that could accommodate bank drafts. If you're dealing with a situation where a bank draft is the only acceptable payment option, you might consider using a different bank or exploring other options, such as wire transfers or money orders. In conclusion, Tangerine currently doesn't accept bank drafts as a deposit method. While this might be disappointing for some, there are several other convenient and secure options available, such as e-transfers, checks, and bill payments. If you're considering opening a Tangerine account or need to deposit funds, it's important to be aware of these limitations and choose the payment method that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.